If recent events have taught us anything, it's that IT is more than just software and devices. It's the lifeblood of your business. So when things go wrong and your network goes down, it can have a serious impact on your productivity and bottom line, costing you time and money. That's why you can't wait for something to go wrong before you call in the experts. You should partner with an IT support company that prevents problems from happening in the first place. We proactively look at our clients' technology every day to prevent downtime, and we jump straight into action if there's ever a problem. In fact, most times we fix problems before our clients even know there's something wrong. If you're facing ongoing problems with your IT, get in touch with us today. Let's discuss how to partner to make your IT work better for you.